Hi, are you an accountant that's struggling to take your own photos and videos? Do you feel overwhelmed with the equipment or maybe intimidated by what it might cost? Everyone nowadays has a cell phone in their pocket. They can take photos and videos at any time, and I've heard it said that the best camera you can have is the one that you have on you. So don't feel like taking your own has to look like a low budget option. I want to give you tips that make you feel confident to do it by yourself and make it look good. Before we dig into these steps that I'm talking about, I want to answer one question. And that question is, why does it matter? Why does it matter that you're taking your own photos and your own videos? Because you are passionate about what you do. You are making a connection with those clients that builds a deeper connection with them because you're having real conversations and they're able to hear you and see you, and they're able to see that you show up. They're able to see that consistency of showing up and building those relationships with them means that you're passionate about what you do and you're passionate about them. You know your brand best. And by doing your own photos and videos, you're going to create a consistency across the board that your clients can relate with. And you don't want to rely on someone else for their deadlines or their schedules. You want to be able to do that on your own. And over time, you'll get faster and you'll get better, which eventually will save you time and money. When you share the content with those dream clients, you want to share stories with them. You want to share things that they would want to see, and you want to be inspired by them. Before we get too far into this, I want you to realize that when you share content, you want to set up a plan. You want to summarize points into an initial statement. And then after that initial statement, then you'll go through those points and you'll talk about those with your client, and you'll talk about those with your viewers. And if you keep on track, it'll cause less confusion for you and less stress for your client. So the last thing is you want to conclude. And so in your conclusion, you want to wrap up all those points and tie them back to that initial statement. And if you can do this and follow these points and follow this plan, it's going to help grow your audience and grow your business. The goal here is to allow your viewers to hear you. Believe it or not, people want to know what you know. Accountants, you are creative too. And working at PF has made me realize that all of the things that we design for marketing aren't just created for everybody. They're created for the right clients. So create content that talks to your clients. Take photos that they would want to see. Take videos answering questions that they may have asked. Let your clients join your journey. The hardest part of all of this is just getting started. Let us help.